you go abroad to Canada and meet some new friends. You want to talk to them about high school in Japan. That's what this episode is about today. Hikari, kick it off.
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Social English Podcast, where you will learn a little social English every day. Okay, I am Percy, your host, and I want to welcome you back, of course, again, and talk about today's episode. Today, a Japanese learner of English asked to help fix their English. And that's what we're going to do on today's English Repair Shop. But first, let's get into our social English mood. Okay. What I want you to do is to kick back, relax, be in a chair if you can. And I want you to picture me and you sitting across from each other in your favorite cafe. Just relax, listening to the sounds of people around you. We are drinking our favorite coffee. Me, probably a mocha latte. And you are having your favorite snack. Croissant, maybe a piece of cake, and your favorite drink. We're talking about something that someone has asked me. And me, I am Percy, your English speaking American friend. And I am here to explain to you and help you learn more English. And that's why we're here. So today, let's talk about what the issue is. A Japanese learner of English asked me to fix their English. Now, first, I'm going to tell you what they said. I will say it 2 times. Listen to see if you can find the mistakes. Okay, here is what they said. I've been playing soccer since I was 7. The pictures were taken when I was high school. My uniform number is 5. I was playing in the boys' team with the great friends. I've been playing soccer since I was 7. The pictures were taken when I was high school. My uniform number is 5. I was playing in the boys' team with the great friends. Okay. Maybe you heard some mistakes already. This person wants to show pictures of themselves in high school, and they want to explain what the English speaker that they are talking to sees in the picture. Okay. That is the premise of this particular dialogue. So, have you heard any mistakes already? Maybe you have. So let's correct this with social English. Social English is not just eikaiwa or conversational English, but it is conversational English, eikaiwa, in social situations that are sometimes not discussed or have a slight different meaning to them. Okay, so today let's fix this particular phrase. Okay, or dialogue. I started playing soccer when I was 7. These pictures were taken when I was in high school. Do you see number 5? That's me. I played on the boys' team with all of my friends. I started playing soccer when I was 7. These pictures were taken when I was in high school. Do you see number 5? I played on the boys' team with all of my friends. Okay. So you can see there are differences in these sentences. And we want to use the correct words in the sentence. What we are saying in this dialogue is we're talking about our experience playing soccer. We are showing pictures to the person so they can see the picture. When we talk to them, they can see the picture. So you can show them, as the speaker, what you're talking about. This is why these sentences are more of a social English, because you are not only talking, but you are using gestures and you are showing the person with your hands and your voice what you are talking about to express the meaning to them. Now, what also makes this social is you are probably going to show these pictures to someone in a more social environment. Maybe you are at a cafe with your friends, or maybe you're a college student and you are getting pizza or at a restaurant getting food, and you show these pictures to your new college friends in Canada or America or an English-speaking country. So that's the way you would say that. Let's listen to that one more time. First, I will say the wrong sentence. Then I will say the corrected social English sentence. Okay. First, the wrong sentence, then the corrected one. Let's start. I've been playing soccer since I was 7. I started playing soccer when I was 7. The pictures were taken when I was high school. These pictures were taken when I was in high school. My uniform number is 5. Do you see number 5? That's me. I was playing in the boys' team with the great friends. I played on the boys' team with all of my friends. Okay, so that is the sentence. The sentences with the wrong one first and the corrected social English version next. I hope that you found the mistakes and you see the different words that were used to fix them. That is going to do it for today's episode of the Social English Podcast. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I know that you learned something from today's episode. Please come and visit us at realsocialenglish.com, where you can get my free download. It's a free download I made for you, the Japanese learner of English. It is called The 7 Mistakes Most Japanese Learners of English Make and How to Fix Them. You will also find more resources to help you get better at English every day. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple Podcasts, Google, Stitcher, and now Pandora. Become a Patreon member by becoming a patron. Help show your support to this podcast by only donating $3 or $5 US to help this show. We will show you support by personally thanking you in future episodes and giving you free, new, special content for you, the patron. You will only get this available at Patreon. So that's patreon.com/social English. Share our podcast on your social media with your friends. And follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Show them the shout out that we gave you. And impress your friends. See you next time. Hikari, take it away. That'll be all for today. See you next time.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.